Welcome to the 1-Minute Photography. In this video I will show you how to edit professional dark tone filter in Lightroom. Here are some example photos of before and after using this preset. Let's start editing. First go to the basic. Bring temperature to +10. Tint +2. And bring exposure to -2.60. Contrast +30. -25 for highlights. Shadow -30. Bring whites to -100. And +35 to blacks. Now go to the presence. +10 for texture. Clarity +25. And dehaze to +40. Bring vibrance to -25. And -20 to saturation. And done. Next go to the curve and follow these steps. Then go to the color mix and first go to the red. Saturation +15. And -15 for luminance. Then go to the orange. Hue -20. +30 to saturation. And luminance +10. Next bring both hue and saturation to -100 for yellow. And saturation to -90 for green. Now bring hue to +100. And saturation to -100 for aqua. Finally bring saturation to -100 for blue, purple and magenta. And done. Next go to the color grading tool. For shadows bring hue to 220. Saturation to 10. And luminance to -10. Hue 180. Saturation to 10. And luminance to +10 for midtones. For highlights hue 210. Saturation to 12. And +10 for luminance. Now go to the details and bring sharpening to 10. And color noise reduction to 30. Finally go to the effects and bring vignette to -10. And done. Now you can save it as a preset and apply to your photos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video.